I did a super crazy string pull the other day, and I thought I'd do it again with some more colors, some colors that are more me. So I've got blue, gold, silver, turquoise, and then this Perfetto Metallics Deep Ferris Green. Everything but the Perfetto is mixed with floetrol, little water, and some silicone. The Perfetto is just as is. I haven't done a thing to it. Put that up here. Maybe I'll try and do kind of a beachy. Kind of have these beachy colors. Might not be a bad idea. Kind of fun. I love this turquoise color. This is Apple Barrel. Ignore the painting underneath. Let's do some silver. Oops. Let's do some silver. Here. Not quite beachy because, you know, this would be more foamy white. And I'm going to go back a little ways with it, but, you know, kind of get the idea. Of sand and water. The other one I did was super bright colors. I think the sun is getting to me. I've been using so many bright colors. Yeah, let's do a little bit more. This Ferris green is just really sinking. It's pretty thick though compared to the paint. Alright, let's tilt a bit. Cover most of the canvas. It's a slippery bugger. I just have a paint, canvas panel. Goodness gracious. Okay. I don't want to lose all my gold though, so let's just call it good there. Make sure I'm in camera. Woo! As the table goes wobble, wobble, wobble. Okay, so my yarn. I guess it should be called a yarn pull. You know what? I am going to go this way because that's kind of the way I tilted. Not so comfortable doing it that way. It's a little more awkward. Yeah. Let's pull. Oh, that's pretty. Let's go this way. Just drag it. Off this way. Alright. I want to go that way, but I don't really... I'm not as coordinated. Okay. Let's drag this up here and then... this back up there. I really love this, so I hate to mess with it too much, but I don't like this bare spot right here. If we do this. Drag this up that way. And then down. The nice thing about these string pulls is you really do have a certain amount of control that you don't get otherwise. You kind of control where the paint goes. I say kind of because it's, you know, still gonna do it at once. Middle part. There we go. Maybe that'll be enough we go. Let's tilt this way just a tad. Whoops. I had some paint on me, didn't I? That's right. I can go in with some Ferris and clean that off. No big deal. Or with some string. Just drag it through. Really pretty too. All right, I'm gonna pull some more because I don't like these spots right here. I'm gonna pull this through a little bit here, and then let's do balance of keeping it from being too crazy busy and yet looking like one cohesive painting. And I think that is done. Actually, that kind of just did it for me. Look at those pretty cells. Let's do some close-ups. All right, here we go. That is just gorgeous. You can see the metallics shining. It's always hard to pick those up on camera. There we go. Oh goodness. Super pretty. Just thinking this would look pretty on Instagram. I'm terrible at posting pictures on Instagram. If you are on Instagram, post your link in the comments. I'll check you out and follow. Even though I always forget to post. I do like Instagram. It's one of those things I forget about. I'm on YouTube and Facebook. And then some days it's like, oh yeah, there's Instagram too. I need to touch up here a little bit. Okay. But there you go. Let me know if you've tried the dancing string pole, what you think of it. Or if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you are a beginner, I'll have some links in the description box as well for beginners, showing the mixing process and all of that. And we will see you guys next time. Happy pouring!